Hey there! Welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an interesting problem that can occasionally pop up during video recording and playback. The issue at hand revolves around seeking in a video file being quite slow, making it a real headache when you're trying to skip to a specific point. Quite the conundrum, right? Now, on to the solution. To tackle this seeking problem head-on, you want to ensure that your video contains an adequate number of keyframes. These keyframes are crucial for video players to swiftly navigate to the desired time point. By adding G60 to ShareX's ffmpeg additional arguments, you'll be prompting the encoder to include keyframes at regular intervals. This nifty parameter dictates the number of frames between keyframes, ultimately improving the seeking speed significantly. In a nutshell, addressing the seeking sluggishness in your recordings can be as simple as tweaking the keyframe settings. By strategically placing keyframes at regular intervals, you pave the way for smoother and faster navigation within your videos. And there you have it, problem solved. And that's a wrap on today's video, folks. Remember, optimizing keyframe settings can make all the difference when it comes to seamless video navigation. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy recording and happy watching.